तंबाखूचं सेवन सोडायचंय पण डॉक्टरकडे कसं जाणार? डॉक्टरनं भलतंच काही सांगितलं तर? असे अनेक प्रश्न तंबाखू खाणाऱ्यांच्या डोक्यात घोळत असतात. पण आपल्याला तंबाखूच्या घातक परिणामापासून मुक्त व्हायचं असेल तर शेवटी डॉक्टरकडे जाऊन त्यांचा सल्ला घेणं अटळ आहे. अजिबात किंतु मनात न ठेवता थेट डॉक्टर गाठा आणि तंबाखू सोडणारच असा निश्चय मनाशी करून या जीवघेण्या व्यसनातून स्वतःची सुटका करा, असा संदेश गोव्याचे नामांकित कॅन्सर तज्ज्ञ डॉक्टर शेखर साळकर यांनी दिलाय. गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हचं यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा.
31st May is always celebrated as a World No Tobacco Day, and this year the theme is commit to quit. That means you have to make a commitment that yes, those who are smoking or having chewing tobacco should at least give a try that they should quit. Because if you want to decrease the mortality now, then you must help them in quitting. If you want to decrease mortality on a long period of time, then it is important that the new initiation for the younger children, they should not initiate smoking. So it is very important that quitting will decrease the mortality now. That message has to be very clear. You want to decrease yourself or your mortality, then you must quit immediately. Yes, your willpower is extremely important in quitting. Yes, we can help you out. As a doctors, we can help you out in giving behavioral counseling, in giving some medicines which can decrease your so-called what is craving and all those factors which are there. We can tell you, don't go to the areas where normally you used to go and smoke. Don't go to the hawker from where you used to buy. Don't go to the friend circle where you used to, they used to smoke together. Do a lot of diversion like smoking, or cycling, then swimming, go for a walk, deep breathing exercises, yogas, all these things, listening to music. This will divert your mind and you will be able to quit easily comparatively. But only in spite of all these efforts, only 30% are able to leave smoking. So 70% continue to smoke and continue to go to the, they will continue till they suffer from some heart attack or some cancer, they go to the grave. So it's very important that it's a very difficult addiction and you must try to quit at least once at least. In the present pandemic, it is also important that you should stop smoking so that your lungs are little in better shape, because even in COVID and smoking, what is really affected is the lungs. So the lungs keep in better, if you want to keep the lungs in a better shape, then you must quit so that the lungs are little healthy. So even if you get COVID, you will be able to tide over the crisis.
My sincere request to the central government to make up proper amendments to the COTPA Act, which is suggested by all the NGOs who are working in this tobacco field, because that will help in reducing the burden of tobacco deaths in the country. Because we have seen that since the inception of COTPA, there is almost 6% drop in tobacco consumptions all over India, which is a huge number in terms of the number game. The second one important is that the vendor licensing. Vendor licensing is a state subject, but center has issued a guidelines. I request all the states also to take this very sincerely and do this vendor licensing so that they have a proper data is where how much tobacco is being sold, how much is being sold to the in different parts of the country. And also important part is to control the in and around the school licensing, which so that the children or the students are not coming in easily available this tobacco sticks or in chewing also. Then most important part is because it is single sale of cigarette is that it is cheaper, so the children tend to buy this rather than buying a packet which is very costly. And my last request is to have a proper increase in taxation on the tobacco or products, all tobacco products, so that government gets a huge amount of money which can be used in this COVID times on the treatment of the COVID. And my last but not last, again I want to say that smoking does not prevent, or tobacco in any form does not prevent you from getting COVID. But if you are a smoker and if you get a COVID and if your lungs are involved, then only God can save you.